What if your next smartphone is a pair of AI glasses? Today, we're counting down 20 incredible AI smart glasses that are changing the future. Some of these are so advanced, you won't believe they're already real. Let's get started. Edenlux Eyeary. What if your glasses could become your personal AI assistant without anyone noticing? The Edenlux Eyeary combines a sleek everyday design with intelligent features like voice commands, instant notifications, and hands-free access to essential information. Instead of constantly reaching for your phone, you can stay connected while keeping your focus on the world around you. Whether you're navigating a busy city, checking reminders, or interacting with AI on the go, these smart glasses make everyday tasks feel effortless. It's the kind of wearable tech that makes the future feel surprisingly close. Rokid AI Glasses style. At first glance, these look like ordinary sunglasses, but they're hiding some seriously powerful AI. The Rokid AI Glasses style can provide real-time translations, voice assistance, navigation, and instant access to information without pulling out your phone. Their lightweight design makes them comfortable enough to wear all day, while the built-in AI helps you stay connected with just a simple voice command. If you've ever wanted smart glasses that blend futuristic technology with everyday fashion, these might be one of the most impressive options you can actually wear in 2026. ROG XREAL R1. Imagine putting on a pair of glasses and instantly getting a massive virtual display wherever you go. That's exactly what the ROG XREAL R1 delivers. Built for gamers, creators, and power users, these AI-powered smart glasses offer a smooth, immersive viewing experience with ultra-low latency and crisp visuals that feel like carrying a giant monitor in your pocket. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or getting work done on the go, the R1 turns almost any space into your personal high-tech workstation. This is wearable tech that genuinely feels years ahead of its time. Pickle One. Don't let the compact design fool you. The Pickle One packs surprisingly smart AI features into a pair of everyday-looking glasses. With hands-free voice controls, instant notifications, and seamless smartphone connectivity, it helps you stay productive without constantly checking your screen. Whether you're answering questions with AI, getting directions, or keeping up with important updates, everything feels faster and more natural. If you're looking for smart glasses that combine minimalist style with practical AI features, the Pickle One is a futuristic wearable that's definitely worth watching in 2026. Even Realities G2. The Even Realities G2 looks like a normal pair of premium glasses, but hidden inside is an impressive AI-powered experience. It can display notifications, provide real-time translations, offer navigation, and deliver helpful information right in your line of sight. The transparent display keeps everything subtle, so people around you may not even realize you're using smart glasses. If you've been waiting for wearable tech that blends into everyday life instead of standing out, the G2 is one of the cleanest and most futuristic AI glasses you can get in 2026. RayNeo X3 Pro. The RayNeo X3 Pro feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. These AI-powered AR glasses overlay digital content directly into your view, giving you real-time translations, navigation, notifications, and hands-free AI assistance wherever you go. The bright display and lightweight design make them practical for everyday use, whether you're traveling, working, or simply exploring. Instead of constantly looking down at your phone, the information comes to you. It's a futuristic experience that shows just how fast AI smart glasses are evolving in 2026. Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses. The Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses combine sporty style with practical AI-powered features you can actually use every day. Built-in open-ear speakers, voice assistant support, hands-free calling, and music controls let you stay connected without reaching for your phone. Whether you're working out, walking, or commuting, these glasses keep you focused on what's ahead while delivering audio and smart features seamlessly. With their lightweight, Reebok-inspired design and all-day comfort, they prove that smart glasses don't have to look futuristic to offer a truly modern AI experience. NPS Envision. The NPS Envision brings AI and augmented reality together in a sleek pair of smart glasses designed for everyday use. With real-time navigation, voice-powered AI assistants, instant notifications, and an immersive heads-up display, it helps you stay connected without constantly checking your phone. The lightweight design makes it comfortable for long wear, while the intelligent features keep useful information right in front of your eyes. If you're excited about the future of wearable technology, the NPS Envision is definitely a smart glass worth watching in 2026. Nimo Glasses. The Nimo Glasses are more than just smart eyewear. They're like carrying a portable computer wherever you go. Designed with productivity in mind, these AI-powered glasses let you access virtual screens, manage tasks, join meetings, and interact with apps without being tied to a laptop. Their lightweight design makes them comfortable enough for extended use, while the immersive display creates a futuristic workspace right in front of your eyes. If remote work and wearable computing are the future, the Nimo glasses are already there. VITURE Beast. The VITURE Beast is built for people who want next-level entertainment and productivity in one futuristic package. These AI-powered smart glasses create the feeling of carrying a massive virtual screen wherever you go, making gaming, streaming, and multitasking more immersive than ever. With crisp visuals, low latency performance, and seamless connectivity, they turn almost any location into your personal workspace or gaming setup. If you've ever wanted a wearable display that feels like the future, the VITURE Beast is one of the most exciting AI glasses to watch in 2026. AInoon AI Smart Glasses. The AInoon AI smart glasses are designed to make everyday life feel effortless with the power of artificial intelligence. Just use your voice to ask questions, translate conversations, get directions, or access important information without pulling out your phone. Their lightweight design makes them comfortable for all-day wear, while the AI works quietly in the background to keep you connected. If you're looking for smart glasses that combine modern style with practical AI features, the AInoon AI Smart Glasses are definitely worth keeping an eye on in 2026. INMO Air 3. The INMO Air 3 isn't just another pair of smart glasses. It feels like wearing a futuristic computer on your face. With an augmented reality display, AI-powered voice controls, real-time translation, navigation, and hands-free notifications, it brings digital information directly into your field of view. The lightweight design makes it comfortable for everyday use, whether you're traveling, working, or exploring a new city. If you've been waiting for smart glasses that truly blend AI with AR, the INMO Air 3 is one of the most exciting wearable innovations of 2026. Everysight Maverick. The Everysight Maverick is built for people who want real-time information without taking their eyes off what matters. These AI-powered smart glasses project useful data directly into your view, making navigation, fitness tracking, and performance stats feel completely natural. Whether you're cycling, running, or exploring new places, everything you need stays right in front of you. With a lightweight design and futuristic AR experience, the Maverick proves that wearable technology isn't just about convenience. It's about changing the way you interact with the world every single day. Meta Ray-Ban Display. The Meta Ray-Ban display proves that smart glasses can look stylish without sacrificing powerful AI features. With a built-in camera, open-ear speakers, voice control, and AI assistance, you can capture photos, record videos, listen to music, and get instant answers, all without reaching for your phone. They look like classic Ray-Bans, but they're packed with next-generation technology designed for everyday life. If you want wearable AI that blends premium fashion with real-world functionality, these are easily among the most exciting smart glasses available today. Qwen Glasses. The Qwen Glasses take AI assistance to a whole new level by bringing a powerful AI model directly into your daily routine. Just ask a question, translate a conversation, summarize information, or get real-time guidance using simple voice commands. Combined with a sleek, lightweight design, these glasses make interacting with AI feel completely natural and hands-free. Whether you're traveling, working, or learning something new, the Qwen Glasses are designed to keep you informed without pulling out your phone. This is the kind of wearable AI that feels like a glimpse into the future. VIVE Eagle AI Glasses. The VIVE Eagle AI Glasses are designed to bring powerful AI and immersive technology together in a sleek wearable. With intelligent voice controls, real-time information, navigation, and augmented reality features, they keep important content right in your field of view. Whether you're exploring a new city, boosting productivity, or interacting with AI hands-free, these glasses make every experience feel smarter and more connected. It's the kind of futuristic wearable that gives you a glimpse of how AI could transform everyday life in the years ahead. ThirdEye SXR. The ThirdEye SXR is built for people who want more than just notifications. It delivers a true augmented reality experience. With AI-powered assistance, hands-free navigation, real-time information, and immersive AR visuals, these smart glasses bring digital content directly into your field of view. Whether you're working, learning, or exploring, the SXR helps you interact with information faster and more naturally. It feels less like wearing glasses and more like stepping into the future, making it one of the most impressive AI-powered wearables to watch in 2026. DPVR G1. The DPVR G1 is designed to deliver an immersive mixed reality experience that goes far beyond ordinary smart glasses. With a high-quality display, smooth performance, and AI-enhanced features, it lets you enjoy virtual workspaces, entertainment, and interactive content in a whole new way. Whether you're streaming movies, collaborating on projects, or exploring AR experiences, the G1 makes everything feel bigger and more immersive. If you want a wearable that blends productivity with next-generation entertainment, the DPVR G1 is definitely one to watch in 2026. AI smart glasses are evolving faster than ever, and what seemed impossible just a few years ago is now becoming reality. So, which pair would you actually wear every day? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible future tech.